Discipline, most important part of our life. It can change our life exponentially. It's very important. If we compare between discipline and motivation, then discipline play a wonderful role in spite of motivation. We convert this motivation on success if we add the discipline in this process, because with the help of discipline only we can achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. So I will make the video in this topic because it's very wide topic and very important topic. Today I want to share the power of discipline, most important things of our life, and I will share this with the help of this chart. This is the chart of Infosys and this is the chart for 11th February, and we will understand that how discipline can save us to make so many mistakes in the market. So in this video you can see that, I hope you can see the movement of cursor. You can see that there is no opportunity as per our strategy on the starting point. First of all, we should have our strategy. We have to work hard and we have to identify our strategy. We have to make our strategy. Then we should do the back testing, and then after complete satisfaction, we should add this process on our strategy, and we have to implement the strategy on our trading plan, on our trading. So you can see that there is no opportunity till here as per there is no opportunity till here as per our strategy. And in the starting I want to share that this red line is pivot support level, this red line is 200-day simple moving average line, and this black line is CPR level. So you can see that stock is moving in between three important location only. For the whole day it move from top to down, down to top, continue. It's giving respect this important location. So we should understand the power of location. It's also the part of our strategy, that how can we understand the power of important location and how can we take our trade as per the strategy, as per the after using this important location. So this is most important, that we have to give the respect this important location. Now you can see that this is the bullish elephant bar, and the third candle cross the top of the first candle, but there is a immediate resistance level, so we cannot take any trade on this point. As per our strategy, we leave this opportunity because this is not as per our strategy. We wait for the second opportunity. Now you can see that again there is a bearish elephant bar, and the second candle cross the low of the first candle, but this is the support line, so we will not take any trade on this point also. We will avoid this trade also. Now you can see that the stock takes support on this point and it goes on the upside, and again there is a bullish elephant bar, but there is a immediate resistance level, so we will not take any trade on this point also. We will wait for the right opportunity, and when the right opportunity come, then only we will take the trade. Now you can see that stock is moving, there is no opportunity on this point. Now you can see that this is the little elephant bar, and it crossed the 20-day simple moving average line, but there is a immediate support level on this point. But this bearish elephant bar cross little bit this support line, and the second candle cross the low of the first candle, so we can take a trade as per our strategy on this point. We will sell the stock on this point. We will add the stop loss on the top of the this bearish elephant bar, and we will be with the stock. Now you can see that stock move little one candle on the downside, and after that it going on the upside, and it hit our stop loss on this point. So don't worry, because your as per your strategy, your loss should be minimum at every time, your loss should be one bar at every time, and your profit should be maximum. So if the stock move as per your direction on this point, then it can go till this point. So your risk reward ratio will be only if you lose only one bar, and if you get, then you get approximately 10 bar against your risks. So it's very important. You should take your trade as per strategy. If it hit your stop loss, then there is no need to be worry. It's cost of your doing business. Use only one bar. So it's the game of probability. Number first, we should take high probability trade. Number second, it's not the game of certainty. If it hit our stop loss, then don't worry. Now you have to wait for the next opportunity. Now you can see the stock is moving a little bit, but there is no opportunity for you. Again, there is a bearish elephant bar which crossed 20-day simple moving average line, but you can see that there is a immediate support level, so you will not take any trade. Now this is the bullish elephant bar, but again there is a immediate resistance level, so you will not take any trade. You will wait for the right opportunity only. This is your work at this time. So again, you continue with the moving with the stock. Now there is no opportunity. There is no opportunity. Stock going till the resistance level, then it will feel weakness and goes on the downside. And when it reach on the support level, then it feel bullishness on the support level and it go on the upside. Though you can see that there is no opportunity, there is no opportunity as per your strategy. So for the world day, you took only one trade where you stop loss hit. So number one, you will take high probability trade. Number second, your stop loss should be minimum on a logical point. Number third, you wait for the opportunity. You will not search the trade in the market. You have to wait for the opportunity where your strategy says that each and everything as per your plan, then only you will enter in the stock. So it's very important and necessary for you. If you want to be a professional trader, then you have to do on regular basis, then only you can get the success in the market. And if you are a noise trader, then you can search the trade at every point. You can take any trade on this point. Your stop loss will hit on this point, then again you will take the trade on this point, then again your stop loss hit. You can take lot of stop loss on this day if you are a noise trader. Or if you are a professional trader, then you wait for the right opportunity, and if there is any stop loss, then it should be on a logical point and it should be minimum. So try to understand the concept, try to go in the depth of the process. Our main motto in the trading profession is to find the right opportunity and get success, get money from the market. So you have to wait for the opportunity. You have to follow your strategy. You have to be a professional trader. Then only you can get the success and you can make the money. In the world, there are a lot of successful traders and they are doing the same things. Where there is no strategy in the world where the stop loss cannot hit, because it's the game of probability. It's not the game of certainty. So they understand this and they are doing the same things on continuous basis on a disciplined way from so many time. That's why they are the successful trader in the stock market. So it's very important. We should learn from the successful trader. We should learn from the professional trader, and then we have to make our strategy accordingly. And we have to do the same things whatever they are doing in their professional life. So it's very important that we have to understand from the successful trader. So this is it what I want to share with you, and I hope you learn something from this process. And if you use and if you follow the discipline, then you can get the success in the market. So thank you guys, thank you very much for giving me your precious time, and best of luck for your trading journey. If you like the contents, then you can press the like button. You can subscribe my channel and you can share this video with your friend also. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.